Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network not showing a whole lot within North Alabama or southern Middle Tennessee. We did have some rain last night, kind of grazing our northwestern counties up into Lincoln County. Lasted into early this morning. After a little bit of mist, some drizzle, a lot of cloud cover. Well, we're going to see more rain overnight with the passage of a cold front. So here's what it looks like a little farther to the west here. And you can see that this is kind of, to connect the dots, a line from North Mississippi all the way kind of bending towards the northeast here up into Middle Tennessee of a thunderstorm. I say one thunderstorm. There's one lightning strike showing up there in West Tennessee. That's ahead of the cold front. Let me draw it in for you. There it is. That's where the wind shift is, at least just east of Memphis. This is kind of the boundary. It's kind of diffuse at this point, but the warm front that came through earlier today shifted the wind mainly out of the south, and now it's going to be tracking back towards the east overnight as that cold front. We won't be having to deal with that winter weather that we've seen in parts of Arkansas, especially that ice storm that they've seen, but we will get a drop in temperatures. Right now we're at 62 degrees. The wind has let up. It's a calm wind, but you're still able to see a lot of cloud cover with the occasional sun break on the Wave 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. It's more cloud cover than blue sky though right now in Decatur. Look at the temperatures. We are in the upper 60s and even 70 degrees in Gadsden, at 68 degrees in Gunnersville. So with that shifting wind, the temperatures have been increasing, but we're still holding on to the mid to upper 50s in our northwestern areas. Watch the cold front come through tonight. Through the next couple of hours, we will start to see a little more activity right along the cold front. So this is 7 o'clock, still a fairly dry picture, but showers and thunderstorms start to get going here by 9:30, now all the way to midnight. The front's going to pass between 10 o'clock and midnight across I-65, and then that's going to be tracking towards the east here by early tomorrow morning. It's out into Georgia. The wind is going to be out of the northwest, pulling in that colder air, and we will wake up to a mostly cloudy sky. We hang on to a lot of cloud cover tomorrow, but some data sources are indicating that we can get some sun breaks. If that happens, it'll be a little bit warmer. We're talking 50s rather than upper 40s. And by 4 o'clock, there's what you're seeing, a little bit of sun trying to break through across our eastern areas. It's short-lived though. Clouds build back in overnight. Lincoln, you'll miss it. The chance for a flurry is there. With drier air in place, I think most folks will not be seeing that, but here's how Friday is going to go. Lower 40s in the morning, by the afternoon, mid to upper 40s. If we can get some more sunshine in here, which I do expect in locations, we will be making it into the lower 50s. Now let's talk about the weekend, because we're not done with the rain chances. Saturday morning, 7 a.m., chance for that sprinkle, maybe even a flurry is there. For most of the morning, it's dry. Once we get into the late afternoon and evening, here 6 o'clock, light showers start to overspread North Alabama. They stick around overnight into early Sunday morning. This is not terribly heavy rain, but it is going to kind of put a damper on your outdoor plans, especially for the first part of your Sunday. And it keeps things kind of chilly and gloomy. So just through tonight, localized amounts closer to an inch will be possible, but many locations are looking at about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch in total at most. Now, add all of that together, by Sunday night, we're seeing in total 1 inch to 1.5 inches on the higher end. So not a lot of rain. We don't need to see it. We still got a lot of runoff into all of our areas, rivers and streams, but at least we are going to see a little bit of a break next week. 48 degrees on Saturday, 53 on Sunday, and then we're back into the 60s finally next Tuesday.